Hey, let's do this Khruangbin song called Mariella. They don't play the chords, but we have to figure out the chords so we can play the lead parts and the harmonized parts. So the song is in the key of D. That's our one chord. And then that means makes a T shape. Right, the chords. We got our one chord because it's on the we're playing it on the fifth string, A string root. That's the one, and then A is our 5, G is our 4, and that means B minor is our minor 6. And I think they play also a E minor. All right, so those are our chords. Let me listen to a little snippet, and then starts with D. Guitar's playing the melody. A. Okay, so that first part is D, A, G, D, G, D. If you were playing the chords. By the way, let me just say, it's not just Khruangbin, it's Leon Bridges in collaboration with Khruangbin. That's a double stomp. We're just barring the top B and E string. And we're sliding into it. So really, the first one is this, but we're sliding into it. And then we're still going to play this same shape we played up here. And then we're going to go to this stair step shape where we're playing E at the second fret and then B at the third fret. This is where it goes G to D. G, D. Although this is out of, you see it's right out of our D shape, right? And my guitar sound, I have a clean, I'm using my American sound, which is a Fender amp simulator. And then I have a reverb. I have high levels. He's using quite a lot of reverb, and it's so I'm trying to emulate that. And he uses a Stratocaster, I believe. I don't think I've ever seen him playing another guitar. Anyways, that's the first ends, and Leon Bridges starts singing, and now we go to the B minor. G. I'm sorry, A. So we go B minor, A, and then we go the G, do the G to D thing. And kind of like, you kind of notice that D and B minor are kind of almost interchangeable when you're talking about chords. Okay, so the chorus is, I'm going to play E minor, but I'm going to play it as a 7 chord. So I'm playing I'm playing an E minor 7. You can play E minor. E minor 7 is, I think, the chord they're using though. D, A, So that's the first part of the chorus, is this. That's the second part. E minor 7, D, A. It just stops on the A. This is a repetition of the first part, but it's instead of going to the G, it stops on A. It stops on the A, and then it hangs on the A. Mariella, Mariella. That ends. That's the ending. It's of the chorus: A, B minor, G. That's so those three parts make up the chorus. All right, and then we go back into the verse, but this time we have a guitar solo, and you can play B minor pentatonic. Or you can play D major. Cool song. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.